She likes cigarettes, says she smoke, even help her with her coat. Treat her like a lady, treat her like a lady.